Good morning, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with a side bet on XM and Future Digibud OG. Yes, I know I said I wasn't going to come back, but damn it, guys, I can't help but put you guys in the best position to win. So I'm going to come on here and tell you what we're looking at real quick, real fast, straight to the point, and I'm out. XRP, if we break 66 cents, that's how we get that 58-cent target. You know, Bitcoin, if we break this and go to 30,000 again. But look at last time Bitcoin was at 33,000. Look how much lower the altcoins are now. They're getting ready to decouple, guys. I'm telling you right now. Not decouple and go to the moon, but I'm saying they're making their move and they're going to start doing their own thing eventually. We're starting to get to these levels now where we can get off Bitcoin's nuts. I expect nothing short of a bounce to happen at some point with these levels, whether we go back down to 58 cents and bounce off that. But there's no doubting what we're creating in the pattern. If you sell right now, you're stupid. We have long positions. If you bought under $1 with XRP like you should have, and yesterday specifically at 88 cents, I said if you want to start bouncing and nibbling, told you exactly where my orders were. I had one touch today at 78 on XRP. You know, we had that nice bounce in the 1 minute. So I can tell you right now, I am happy with Uphold because it not only filled my 78 cent one, it got my 72. It did not fill my 68 cent one, though, because it did not touch 68 with the upcharge. So that one did not fill. But I'm happy to say it filled my DGB at 5 cents. It filled my ZIL at 8 cents. These were my testers at the top, guys. It filled my Doge that I had a set order that I just put on because I sold last night 1,000 of them, and I wanted to make it, you know, I had 7,000 of them. I sold 1,000 of them at 34 cents, and I wanted to see if it would buy back at 28. So I did 1,000 that way, or 30, and it did. It filled back up when it hit 30 cents. So I know the limit orders are working with Uphold. So if you're using them, mine have been filling. I mean, we got some absolutely unbelievable discounted prices right now, and it's going to get worse in my opinion. But I do think we have to have this bounce up. I honestly do. You know, ZIL, if we break this part, you know, we're going down a little bit farther. But now you're getting some sneaky pattern recognition in here, guys. So, we're on an inversion. We're on an inverted head and shoulders. Eventually, this is going to swing back up. So, keep doing top down. Because now that we've hit these levels, when we shoot up, there's no guarantee we would come down. We could just have one massive spike and it's over. One huge candle. These are the levels that you need to start building top down. You could have started yesterday. Like I said, I started yesterday, not because I didn't think we could come down, because I knew we were going to. This was a long-standing prediction at 78. Then it could hit 52. And then the longest and the most far out there is 38 cents for XRP. If we're going to get to 38 cents, we're going to have to do similar structure like we did before and climb down. Remember when we built up, I said we we're going to slam down? And then yesterday I said it's a gamble. It's all it is a gamble. But it's not really a gamble because we have long positions on all these, so we can just put a certain amount of our portfolio. I've got 50% of my bags packed right now with everything I own. 50%. Now, if it bounces back up, I'll be filling it on the way up. But now with XRP, if it hits 62 cents, I'm buying more. Or 68 cents, my limit order gets filled. Then another limit order at 58 cents. Then another limit order at 48 cents. Then another limit order at 38 cents. Not because I think it's going to hit there, but because if it does hit there, I want them to fill. So what you should be looking for today is Bitcoin going to bounce off of here? Or are we going to go all the way back down to 30,000 and then bounce? Or are we going to go farther down? I don't think we're going all the way down to there. Not yet. I think Bitcoin still has to bounce up and make this one final push and finish this pattern. I do. And then the bottom's going to drop out. I still think, if you guys think this is bad, this may not even be the bad part of it, because I think we're going to get a mid bounce, and then we're probably going to come down even harder than this. So be careful. That's why I keep saying, like Uncle Edo, my man, OG of the OG of the OG of the motherfucking OGs, it makes my heart hurt that you're stressing over an 88 cent XRP purchase. Are you fucking out of your mind, Edo? Be very happy that you waited to 88 cents and you put yourself in a spot. If it jumped up, you at least had some position. Now as it comes down, you put more into XRP. You should be dumping more. Now your average shouldn't be 78. Now with the price it's at, you should have a half cost average. That's why I said you put a certain percentage in if you want to gamble, and then if it goes down, you just buy more. Because we were at gambling levels. We were actually at a point that you guys don't realize on the charts where I was being as transparent as I could be because we had a possibility of a big bounce. So I told you every step of the way what I was doing. I didn't pack my whole bags. But I bought a certain percentage of what I had allotted for each of my stuff. That's it. I've been as transparent as anybody on YouTube. So, just keep that in mind. I think, if we're looking at this logically, what did we kind of sneakily do up there at the top and on the bottom? Remember on a W, sideways and up is bullish. Bearish. Because you're building the structure, right, guys? So normally this is bearish. You got the W, you go sideways and up, and then you build the structure to come down. Well, we just built the W, but we went sideways and down. That means that we might be flipping the pattern before our very eyes when we touch this support. So let's see how we bounce off 32,000, because if this is the case, because instead of going sideways and up, we went sideways and down, that means we could be building a support level and we're going to mid-bounce off 32,000. That's what I think is happening because we came out of the W formation. We should have went sideways and up and went back to about 38,000, 37,000 to build the resistance wall to break through the support. Since we came out sideways and down, that's a bullish tendency. That's a bullish sign out of this break. So be aware of that. We might have just had a bullish break. We might have had a pattern reversal right there. We went sideways and down instead of sideways and up on the W, which means that we could have just turned bullish before our very eyes once we hit this support at 32,000. Or right where we're at, we could have mid-bounce right here. So be very, very careful. I always say be very, very careful because look at guys, the bottom line is these are 70 to 80% off and you guys are still bitching at me in my chat saying it's going down. No shit, it's going down. What do you think liquidation style event means? You haven't seen dick yet if that happens. But I tell you, every spot we could have a mid-bounce. Every stop where you should be positioning some of your portfolio in case we do have a bounce. What if we would have bounced up to $1.40 yesterday or $1.20? You still be bitching that you threw 30 or 40% of your allotted money into your fucking positions? I think fucking not. Am I playing the board right now? You can fix your position right now. You're down 22%, buy 22% more. Simple as that. I've laid down my strategy 100% of the way. I even showed you all my limit orders I had. So it's 100% transparent. I'm getting tired of the nonsense. Not from all of you, but the certain select group. And now I'm just keeping your comments there because you can embarrass yourselves. So if you want to join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month, the single best subscription-based service on YouTube, you become part of Tom's Army, join the T-Fam, and you get updated information. I don't have to teach as many classes. Our first goal was to hit 100 subscribers, paid subscribers. Today, once again, even though we have a huge crash, somehow, some way, I can't get people to join Tom's Army, even though I predicted an 80% crash. You guys know all my levels. I just don't understand. So we're going to sit here for a minute, and you guys are going to like my motherfucking video, and I'm sitting here for 30 seconds to a minute because I don't get the proper likes on my videos. We've almost got 2,000 subscribers. I can't get 100 likes. That's embarrassing. It's a 0.5%. Maybe I should come on here with the 0.5% of the information I have you and leave you on hooks all the time. So hit that like button at the very least. That's the least you can do for me. Those 2 people that dislike on every video have more dedication than my audience hitting the like button. That's the harsh reality. So like I said, I wasn't coming back, but I'm back. Because I look at you guys as my family and I have to tell you what's going on. Like I said, we came off of a W on Bitcoin. And instead of doing the traditional sideways and up to prove bearish, we got to go back into the 1 minute because this is where you get to see it. But this is something to watch, guys. This is developing. Oh, wait a minute. I'm on the wrong one. I think I was on XRP when I was showing you guys that. Ooh, look at the M forming in the pattern on XRP. See that? We might be proven bullish at this level. I'm telling you guys, we're going to have a bounce at some point here. That inversion is being created off very nicely right now. So I'm just telling you. If you guys are panicking and panicking selling, I have no fucking idea what kind of trading you're doing. I told you the top-down strategy. Now you buy down. Every percentage you go down. That's why I suggested 10% at every level. So if you were gambling yesterday, no one said you had to use 100% of your portfolio. If it's a gamble, use 10 fucking percent. But no, I know exactly what happened to some of you guys that are blaming me. Instead of throwing $500, you got greedy and said, oh, let me throw $2,000 on it or $5,000. And if I make that 20%, it's $1,000 or $2,000 instead of just making a couple $100. So I say it's a gamble. So T-Speak at 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. The only guaranteed I've made is the guarantee we'd be at these price levels. Period. If it's a gamble, I say gamble, and I say you're better off sitting on the sidelines if you don't want to gamble. I said it yesterday too. I said the only safe spot is to sit on the sidelines. But if you're trying to build a position for long term, this is a no-risk situation because even if it goes down, you buy that percentage more. So if you bought some XRP yesterday, buy 22% more right now. So if you spend $1,000, throw $222 at it right now to put the position down. Then when it gets to 58, throw another $100 or $200. Same shit, guys. This is how you build top down. I haven't hid nothing and I haven't hid anything. Been as transparent as I can. Whoa. Cole creatively. Cole, thanks for the $50 donation. Holy smokes. And Greg, I tell you guys this all the time. Wow, I got 2 donations while I've been on right now. That's the 7th and 8th donation I've had in the history of my recordings while I was recording live, and I got 2. But Greg is not shy of sending his $2.07 a day for, he always says, don't have a lot, but I need to pay for this info. I need to pay it forward. And he does too, guys. I've never seen somebody so loyal to sending $2 a day when he's getting information he deems valuable. It's crazy. So consider joining Com's Army for $9.99 a month. It's the single best investment you can make into yourself. You'll understand how to trade. You'll understand next level technical analysis. And the people that have been here for a while, well, you should know exactly what's going on because I don't hide it. I tell you exactly what's going on. Don't bet with your emotion because at the end of the day, this is gambling. We're just hoping that the pattern plays out like we have. So until next time, guys, make sure you're doing this right. Eventually, in a month, 2 months, these prices are going to be, you're going to look at these and be like, what the fuck was I bitching about? We begged these prices to get here. Now you guys are bitching because we're going past them. Well, are you guys out of your fucking minds? We didn't even go past them yet. We have 3 set targets. So you should know this is a buy zone. When we get to 50 or 60, it's a buy zone. 50 is buy zone. Until we get to the bottom, you buy from here. It's called top-down strategy. Like I said, you have 10 clicks. If you decided to start at 88 cents yesterday, quit being a dick. You guys, quit being douchebags. I don't want to call you jabronis like the run guys, but you're acting like jabronis this morning. If you bought it at 88 cents when you seen it at 78 cents, there's your second click. 68 cents, there's your third click. 58 cents, there's your fourth click. 48 cents, there's your fifth click. Now you got 5 clicks left to build it up to the top. If it keeps going down, so fucking be it. 40 cents, another click. 35 cents, another click. 30 cents, another click. Now you got 3 clicks left. If it keeps going down, you keep buying the next 10%. It's the strategy. This is no fucking hidden secret. So like I said, I can't be in control of your portfolio. You're grown-ass adults. But to come on here every single time and blame me because you have the inability to trade, maybe you should sign up for my class. Links in the description. Go to my Heights platform, T-Speak at 222. You know, and at the Heights platform, you'll see it right in there. You are the ones who need my class. If you're going to come in here every day and bitch at me when I give you every piece of information sitting in front of you. So I'm not going to give you guys the ability to hear me screaming and yelling. Sure, I gave you a nice rant, but I'm not giving you the benefit of the doubt anymore when you're bullshitting in my chat. So when you make a stupid comment, I'll delete it when I want, but I'm going to leave it up there for a while so my audience can rip you because it's absolutely embarrassing. Stay true, stay blessed. Oh, yeah, Jason, I've got haters. Jason, tell your pops I said good morning, brother. Tell him I appreciate everything, for real. Jason's pops has been watching my show since basically the beginning and got him into it. So now he's an OG of the OG of the OGs of the motherfucking OGs. But Pops is the OG of the OG of the OGs of the motherfucking OGs and father of an OG of the OG of the OGs of the motherfucking OG. So that makes him like a 6-time OG legend. So guys, just pay attention. We can have fun with this. This is why we sold and had so much of a portfolio. Remember what I said? When nobody else has any money left, we're going to slowly be eating every level. This is what I mean. We have portfolio to eat. I'm down $250 from yesterday on Doge. Do I give a fuck? No. I knew my gamble. I bought 17% more after because I sold 1,000, like I said, so that I could do the limit order on Uphold. I waited for the limit order to come down. I mean, come on, guys. It's not that hard. We've already discussed these numbers for weeks upon weeks upon weeks, and I told you to stack up a portfolio with some cash you're able to spend. This is nothing here is a secret. Everything here you already know what happened. So stay blessed and stay true.